Right lads, welcome back to the Road to Glory, episode 2. So, sorry for not uploading recently. I've been very busy with uni and stuff like that, but it is rewards day, and I've also got 75 plus player picks. Not player picks, player packs. You might be wondering where I got these from. Basically, off camera, I done Giroud. I thought there's no point me including it just because it's online friendlies and obviously they don't count towards your record, and people do, if you score they quit, well, most people, but I thought why not just do it off camera, and yeah, that's where I got the 75 plus players. I also held all these packs until the Friday, so the packs that are opening on screen are when Foot Birthday came out, just, increase the odds just in case I did get a Foot Birthday. Don't have the best of packs, 75 plus player, Electrum packs, and then we got rank 4 in Division 4, which was 2 gold packs, 2 premium gold packs, and 2 rare gold packs, which, they're okay, not the best rewards, but what do you expect for rank 4? Of course, I went with untradables. I was thinking about going with tradables, but, it's a road to glory. You guys want to see the content, so had to go with double packs and coins. I need coins, yeah, but really, who takes coins? Because I don't, and where's the fun in taking coins? So far in these packs, we have literally not got anything other than just filling the club up with players like Davies and stuff like that. It just helps towards SBCs. I wasn't expecting much, but I was just hoping at the very least we got something we could use for this team. I'm a bit disappointed, other than that pack, 4,000 coins. That was I don't think I've ever got that on FIFA before. Maybe like once, but it is very, very rare. But yeah, so I'm going to leave you with the rest of the packs, and I'll come back in after the packs are opened. Right lads, so that was it for the packs. Obviously nothing great, Bauman, and we got 283s, which was Trap and Vertonghen. So I decided to go do an 81 plus power pick. They are insane. I've been doing quite a lot on my main account, so why not put the rubbish golds into it? And we hit 84 Guerrero and 83 Moutinho. Obviously we take Guerrero, and I think I'm working towards that Mesut Ozil card. So this is where I took quite a big break from the Road to Glory because I was quite ill. But you would have seen the Foot Birthday Daily SBC Plus came out. Obviously, you complete 1, 2, 3 and 4, which came out each day. Got 2 rare gold players for it and a 75 plus. And overall, you got the Mega Pack. So this is what I got, and I'll catch you after these packs. Right lads, so as you have seen, we got an Inform, we got Dzeko, we got Odegaard and a Serbi. Obviously nothing big, but it's just fodder. Who doesn't love a bit of fodder? The Inform was very nice considering how expensive Informs are. But yeah, so that's it for the packs. This is some Division Rivals gameplay. What a sick team this is. Very, very OP, and obviously we lost. We did lose 5-2, as you can see. It was a pretty even game, but my team is just defensively just not capable of defending. However, Harry Maguire was solid that game. He was just getting outpaced. But this was just to get rival rewards for this week. I needed it badly, hadn't played all week, so I had to do it. But then I remembered I got 2 of these, what are they called? Token cards? Something like that. I thought, why not just redeem it for a premium gold pack? Maybe I should have kept hold of them, but who doesn't? Who wants to wait? And we got Swallow, which I do not swallow. And Cristicio, can't pronounce his name properly, but just average cards. And then we went into a second game of Rivals just to get some points, and I believe, yep, this guy's team was insane. What a team. As you can see, he battered me. 8-3, we lost. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace.